What day is today?
It's Ayra's engagement day.
Oh ya.
Ni tengah bersiap-siap sikit lagi ya.
The boys.
Brotherhood.
Pakai samping.
Ya sikit muka.
Senang.
Yang betul orang. Ya, bukan supposed to know.
Oh iya ke? Semua tak nampak macam ni.
Kata dia pakai yang zip.
Ya,
Ni pakai
Adik I
cantik-cantik. Me, Nana and I were wearing blue. Yang mana Nana? Going to Ayra's house after this and also to like help a little bit more at the house. Yeah. It's our Airbnb.
Hello, it's a big day for our girl today.
It's the big day for our girl today.
Oh yeah.
And the biggest guy in the gym.
Let's go.
Let's go to Ayra's house. Transition.
Let's go to Ayra's house.
Let's go. Are you excited?
I am very, very excited.
Very excited.
One of our own.
Oh, terbakar pula. Orang bakar makan.
Orang, okay, ada orang terbakar. Ayuh lah.
Ja. Yeah. Good morning. Cantiknya.
Ayra's engagement.
Yes. So cute. Uncle, say hi to the camera.
Kamera mana ada? Hai, video ke?
Video.
Hai.
Wow.
Ani ni.
Oh, cantiknya baju. Recording. So pretty.
Okay, lama baik sikit. Wave sikit.
Nak join. Kejap.
Jom.
Aunty pula ada orang tua kat sini.
Tak adalah.
Ya ke? Nampak macam same age?
Oh ya ke?
The ceremony is gonna start soon, so we're up here to get ready. Ayra is in that room. That is all the dulangs that we need to bring.
And this is us.
Oh, this is okay. Zoom out dulu.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show the dulang first.
This is a little dulang. Nak tunjuk tak satu-satu siapa buat siapa?
Boleh.
This
Okay.
is Mia. This is Kanisa. This is mine. Mimi. She's gonna bring the cake.
Yes.
That one is Nana,
Mago.
Nana,
Nana.
and also Sheena. And
Yes.
this one, I think this is Adams. Anas. The
Ai.
Z and also Ai.
Yes. So we're gonna
Hopefully we
bring.
don't trip
Yes.
along the way.
Ni kain okay? Okay. Ayra is in there, yeah. But we haven't seen her yet. She's getting ready.
Siapa yang bawa kek? Mimi. Aunty dah careful ya.
Ready?
Okay, main.
Korang, jom kita buat ni. Ciu.
Jom.
Tekan sampai.
Go away and then you come.
Okay.
Team blue.
Sini siapa? I from here. Cream and pink. Boleh lah.
Girls. We're ready to go downstairs.
Yes. Kata nak ni.
Okay, jom. Sina kita kat sini. You belakang lagi. Kita macam tu.
Ayra and Seweryn.
You change the Ayra and Seweryn.
Ayra and Seweryn. Mamanya pun mana? Sorry.
Enough of video upstairs. We're gonna take more later. Bye. See you.
Dulang boy satu. Dulang girls, steps. Boleh dudukkan ke? Oh, boleh. Duduk. Seweryn came to Malaysia for the first time and met Ed, Putri and family. Days of spending time together. They can see his sincerity and honesty. Thank you. Alright, we shall now proceed, and as a symbol of their commitment, we will now exchange rings. Thank you, Putri. Yeah, I'd like to invite Dr. Ed now to put the ring on for Brother Seweryn. Panggil Malik ke? Seweryn? Huh? Malik? Brother Malik. Okay, much Alhamdulillah, we have now come to the end of the ceremony. Okay, on behalf of Ed and Putri and all family members, I'd like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you.
Sama-sama lah. Nanti lah. Suruh Gila dulu lah. Gila pun. Asyik ada buku je. Dia tak ada masa. Saya Kamis. Merpati dua sejoli. Sama dah tak gambar.
Itulah, waiting for my turn.
Tak gambar normal.
Jom lah, mestilah. Kita kena tak gambar kita, guys. Apa lepas ni kita punya gambar.
Congrats, Ayra.
Congrats, Ayra. You pandang belakang you.
You look so pretty today.
Macam you.
Congrats, Ayra.
I love you, but I hate you sebab lawa sangat.
Congrats, Ayra.
Congratulations, Ayra.
We love you so much. Congrats, Ayra and Seweryn. Seweryn, welcome to the family. Yeah, you to be. Tengok this camera. Itu memang untuk video. Nampak tak semua orang? With the paper as well. Paper bawah tangan. Kita nak tengok ni. Kita tengok kamera ni. Allah. Mana kamera? So kita ke sini. Ayra kat sini.
Okay.
Mimi ke sini lagi kot.
Mana kameranya?
So, that is look.
Okay. Oh, kita.
Gambar tu penting.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much. Bila kucing dapat makanan. Okay.
Camera. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, freestyle. One more freestyle. Ready? Alright, video.
Video.
Okay.
Okay, stand by. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, stand by. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, dance. Okay, so
Mama. Yaya tengok mama nama.
So handsome, Seweryn.
Seweryn Malik.
Ready? 1, 2.
Oh yo.
Group hug. Alright, ready? 1, 2. Alright. Okay. Kawan.
I nak shot aunty dengan Ayra kat sini.
Kalau okey ke tak?
Yes. Sampai diri.
Waiting to take picture.
Yeah, waiting our turn.
Okay, ni.
Kalau okey tak?
Hi.
And are you?
Yes. My name is Ayu.
What's your name?
Serius
Betul.
No.
Oh,
That's not
sorry.
your name.
She said that.
Ayah Anwar.
Ayah.
What's your name?
What's my name?
Uncle boy.
Uncle boy.
Uncle boy.
Don't have one.
Don't have one.
So sad.
Unknown. Pretty.
That was double love for my friends. Oh, cute. Okay, well, hang in there. Not
That's so cute.
Yes.
Ayra, you
Ayra, you've been replaced.
Okay guys, so here we are at the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more contents like this. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye. Whenever you're ready.
Alright. Congrats, Yaya. I love you so much and I wish you a smooth journey towards marriage and I hope everything goes well for you and Seweryn Malik.
Come on, zoom.
Zoom sekejap.
Thanks, Nana. Thank you so much for doing this.
Nana is the artist.
Dengan ni sekali lah. Like this.
Look at the hands. Amazing work. Aww.
Hi Putri, congratulations for your engagement. I'm very happy for you. I hope you and Seweryn, right, last forever. And I'm sorry I couldn't make it to the wedding, but I'm very happy for you always.
Thank you.
This is my primary best friend. Primary school best friend.
Banyak jayur last. Tak ada lagi. Engagement.
I don't know how to stop.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, stop crying already.
It's okay. She's so pretty, right?
Yes, I just want to say how proud I am of you and how excited I am for you to experience our next chapter in life. This honestly is emotional for me because it's such a big thing for you. And honestly, I'm just happy to see you happy and I wish you the best and that you'll be happy always.
Amin. Thank you all. This is the fourth time.
Keep breathing. This is
Kenapa
gonna be
you?
the last
Bukan you
time, okay?
you nak berkahwin ya?
Tolong.
Semua.
Empat orang tak apa. I jadi running commentary. Everything is so hectic right now. So this guy dia tak puas hati dengan all of his kain samping.
Yes.
This is the fourth
Oh my god. Belakang pun ada orang tolong ni.
Tangan semua je.
Suki muka. Muktabak. Apa orang boleh?
Kawan Ayra. Oh. Doktor.
Sekarang belajar kat Uri.
Dia dapat degree. Kenal lah. Mana tahu. Mana tahu aku buat advertise cucu aku. Doktor. Ini dah. Yaya dah bertunang. Dia calon pun tak ada. Sama lagi.
Sibuk pula.
Promote lah. Kau dia risau. Habis kan dia kata semalam. Lagi ni Kia dapat mayat daripada muak. Apa kena nak lari nurse dulu? Lari. Kia tak dia. Lari dulu nurse. Jadi lari. Pasal Hari-hari doktor India tu cari aku.
Congratulations, Ayra and Seweryn. Happy engagement.
Congratulations, Ayra and Seweryn. We love you.
Congratulations, Ayra and Seweryn. Happy engagement.
We love you. Sorry lah, tapi belum nice.
Susah.
Selalu.
Congratulations, Ayra. Happy engagement.
Thank you.
I love you.